Are you looking for a way to enhance the look and value of your home? Do you want to enjoy the benefits of durable, low-maintenance, and allergen-free flooring? If you answered yes, then you need to check out Hardwood Flooring Colorado, the best place to learn about quality hardwood flooring. Hardwood Flooring Colorado is a family-owned and operated business that has been serving the Denver area for over 20 years. We have the experience and expertise to handle any hardwood flooring project, from installation to refinishing, as well as state-of-the-art dustless sanding services. We use only the finest traditional or exotic hardwoods, along with laminates and luxury vinyl plank, and we guarantee our workmanship and customer satisfaction. What sets us apart from other hardwood flooring companies is our attention to detail and our personalized service. We offer free estimates and consultations, and we work with you to find the best hardwood flooring option for your budget and style. We have a wide selection of hardwood flooring types, colors, and finishes, including oak, maple, cherry, bamboo, and more. We also offer eco-friendly and sustainable hardwood flooring options that are good for the environment and your health. Don't wait any longer to transform your home with beautiful hardwood flooring. Contact Hardwood Flooring Colorado today and get a free estimate and consultation. Don't forget to ask about our dustless sanding service that eliminates 99% of the dust created from sanding. Visit our website at the link below. Hardwood Flooring Colorado, the best choice for hardwood flooring and more.